Listen up. This video found you for a reason. It's not a coincidence that you're watching this right now. You know what most people are gonna tell you? That you need to be realistic, that you need to play it safe, that maybe, just maybe, if you work really hard for 40 years and invest your little paycheck into an index fund, you might retire with a decent amount of money. But here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. This advice is designed to keep you broke. It's designed to keep you comfortable enough that you don't complain, but poor enough that you will never actually escape. And if you're watching this video, it means something inside you already knows that. You're not here by accident. You're here because you're ready to stop lying to yourself about what's actually possible. My name's Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. As a matter of fact, I had my first $1,000 a day at 21 and my first $2,600 a day at 22. And when I say that, it's cash collected, not revenue. And I come from the low middle class. My parents were nurses. So I am living proof that this is possible, that you can do it too. So let's start with the most important thing. And this is something you need to burn into your brain right now. You have the dream of being rich and successful in your heart for a reason. It was literally meant for you. I don't care if you grew up broke. I don't care if everyone in your family tells you to get a normal job. I don't care if your friends think you're crazy. The simple fact that you want it, the fact that you can't stop thinking about it, that's the universe or God or whatever you believe in telling you that you are capable of achieving it. But here's where 99% of people fail. They never make it because deep down, they don't actually believe they can do it. They say they want to be a millionaire. But when they look in the mirror, they don't see a millionaire looking back. They see someone who's just dreaming, someone who's just wishing, someone who's playing pretend. And that's why they lose. Your belief isn't just some fluffy motivation garbage. It's literally the foundation of everything. If you don't believe you can make $1 million, you won't take the actions required to make $1 million. You'll give up the first time things get hard. You'll listen to the doubters. You'll settle for less. So this is your reminder right here, right now. You can do it. I'm not talking about your neighbor or some random dude you saw online. You have everything you need already inside you to make this happen. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. I'm so tired of hearing people talk about successful people like they just got lucky. Oh, he got lucky with his business. Oh, she was at the right time at the right place. That is complete dog shit. Sometimes, yes, it's true, but most successful people make their own luck. Unsuccessful people blame successful people for being lucky. You know what luck actually is 99% of the time? It's preparation meeting opportunity. It's working on your skills every single day so that when an opportunity shows up, you're ready to grab it, to harvest it. It's putting yourself in an environment where opportunities actually exist instead of sitting on the couch, watching Netflix, complaining that nothing good ever happens to you. Poor people see a successful person and immediately look for reasons why that person had it easier. Future millionaires see a successful person and ask what they can learn from them. That's the difference. So if you catch yourself blaming luck when you see someone succeed, check yourself immediately. Because even if it's true, for the sake of that person, this mentality is poison. It's the mentality of someone who's already given up. It's the mentality of someone who's looking for excuses instead of looking for solutions. Warren Buffett said, "It doesn't matter how hard you row, it matters what boat you're on." Think about that for a second. There are tons of incredibly smart, talented, hardworking people who will never get rich. And it's not because they're not good enough or because they're not smart enough. They are. It's because they're focused on the wrong things. They're rowing as hard as they can, but they're in a boat that's never going to take them to where they want to go. What does this look like in real life? It's the person working 60 hours a week at their job, thinking that if they just work hard enough, they will eventually be wealthy. But they're trading time for money in a system where their income is capped. There's only so much time you can spend working. It doesn't matter if you get a 5% raise every year. You're still broke, and there's inflation too. It's the person putting $100 a month into the stock market, thinking they're someday going to be rich. Sure, in 4 years, you might have a decent retirement fund, but you'll be old. You'll have wasted your entire youth being broke. The boat you need to be on is leverage. You need to be in a position where your income isn't tied to your time. And the fastest way to build real wealth and reach millionaire status in the next 2 to 7 years is by starting an online business. Not just any business, not the dropshipping nonsense where you're competing with 10,000 other people selling the same cheap products from China. I'm talking about selling high-ticket consulting or services, charging $1,000 to $10,000 per client. Because when you can close a client for $5,000, instead of trying to sell 500 products for $10 each, everything changes. You need less clients, you can provide more value, you can actually build a real sustainable business. This is the boat you need to be on. Stop rowing harder in the wrong direction. Now, I want to talk about something that most people completely overlook, the compound effect. Small things now turn into massive things later, to simplify it. And this works in both directions. The small bad habits that you have now, they compound into massive problems later. The small good habits you start now, they compound into massive success later. If you learn one new skill a month, let's say, in a year, you've got 12 new skills. In 2 years, you have 24 skills. Now, you don't need 24 skills, but do you understand how far ahead you'd be of everyone else? Most people never learn anything new after they leave high school or university. They just coast. They just repeat the same year over and over again for 40 years and call it a life. But if you're investing in yourself every single day, even just 30 minutes a day or 1 hour a day, you're compounding your value. You're making yourself more capable, more knowledgeable, more skilled. And at first, nobody notices. At first, it feels like nothing's happening. But then suddenly, everything happens all at once. Suddenly, you're the person everyone wants to hire. Suddenly, you're the person closing deals. Suddenly, you're the person making money. But it didn't happen suddenly. It happened because of all those small decisions you made months or years ago. So start now. Start today. Because every day you wait is a day you're not taking advantage of the power of the compound effect. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Look, a harsh truth you need to hear is that your environment determines your results in life. Period. It will be very hard to become a millionaire when you're surrounding yourself with people who are broke and they think being broke is normal. You cannot build a successful business while hanging out with people who think having a regular job is the only option. You don't want to be around people who normalize being a loser, having a terrible job, a mediocre life, just accepting whatever scraps they're given. It's time to ditch the loser friends. I know this sounds harsh, I know. I know some people are thinking, but these are my childhood friends. These are my family members. I get it, but you need to understand something. The 5 people you spend the most time with determine your future. If those 5 people are broke, you're gonna be broke. If those 5 people have no ambition, chances are you'll have no ambition too. If those 5 people think dreaming big is stupid, you're gonna stop dreaming big. It's not even their fault. It's just how human psychology works. We adapt to our environment. So you need to change your environment. Surround yourself with winners. And look, I understand that might not be possible physically at first. Maybe you can't afford to move to a new city, or join expensive masterminds, or go to fancy networking events. That's fine, do it virtually. I grew up in the low middle class. I was surrounded by people with no ambition who were just waiting for retirement and watching TV on the weekends. That was their entire life. Work a job they hated, come home exhausted, watch TV, go to sleep, repeat. And I looked at that life and I said, I want better than this. So I spent my entire free time watching educational content by entrepreneurs, reading books, listening to podcasts. I virtually surrounded myself with the people I wanted to become like. And slowly, my mindset changed. My standards changed. What I thought was possible changed. You can do the same thing. Unfollow everyone on social media who's posting a bunch of nonsense. Follow people who are actually doing what you want to do. Stop watching Netflix every single night and start watching educational content. Stop hanging out with people who pull you down and start finding communities online where people are building what you want to build. Your environment is everything. Protect it like your life depends on it, because it does. So here's what I want you to do right now. I want you to make a decision. Decide that you're actually going to do this. Decide that you're done making excuses. Decide that you're done blaming other people for your situation. That you're done being average. Because this video found you for a reason. You're watching this because somewhere deep inside, you know you're capable of more. You know you're meant for more. The only question is whether you're actually going to do something about it, or if you're going to close this video, go back to scrolling and forget everything you just heard. Most people will forget. Most people will do nothing. But you're not most people. If you were, you wouldn't have watched this far. So prove it. Take action today. Start building that business. Start learning that skill. Start changing your environment. Your future self is counting on you. Don't let them down. If you'd like me to teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my consulting business, I've made a free training for you. The link is in the description below. I'll teach you the 3 things you need to make this work. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team. We'll help you implement everything step by step, and I'll give you a custom game plan. Now be quick, we've got very limited spots for that. I will see you on the other side.